Messaging with MDBs, JMS or Java EE programming in Jakarta Enterprise Beans or EJB. Here you can see messaging with MDBs in JMS Java EE programming. Message-driven beans is one of family of enterprise Java beans EJB components described in the EJB 2.0 and later specification. Message-driven beans provide asynchronous messaging. Other EJB components, session beans and entity beans, can only be called synchronously through a standard EJB interface. However, enterprise applications often need asynchronous messaging to allow server-side components to communicate without tying up server resources. Any application whose server-side component must respond to application events need an EJB component that can receive and consume messages without being tightly coupled to the message producer. In enterprise application, this capability must also scale under increased load. Message-driven beans MDB is an EJB component supported by a specialized EJB container. That provide distributed services for component it supports. The MDB implements the JMS message listener interface. The onMessage method written by the MDB developer is invoked when MDB container receives the message. OnMessage method consumes the message just as the onMessage method of the standard message listener object would. You do not remotely invoke methods on MDBs as you do on other EJB components. Therefore, no home or remote interface associated with them. Each MDB can consume messages from only single destination. The message can be produced by standalone JMS applications or JMS components or EJB components. As shown in this figure. Specialized EJB container supports the MDB. This MDB container creates instance of MDB and set them for asynchronous consumption of messages. The container set up a connection with the broker, including authentication, creates a pool of sessions associated with the given destinations, and messages are and manages the distribution of messages among pool sessions. Since the container controls the lifecycle of MDB instances, it manages the pool of MDB instances to accommodate incoming message loads. Associated with each MDB is a deployment descriptor that specified the connection factory attributes and destination properties that the container uses in setting up message consumption. The deployment descriptor can also include other information needed by deployment tools to configure the container. Each such container supports all instances of a single MDB. Here you can see JMS message produces JMS component or application, and this is connected to destination. EJB container is connected to destination. EJB instance is in EJB container. Here you can see JMS message service. Broker and destinations are inside JMS message service. Destinations are connected to MDB container. JMS message consumers. MDB instance is inside MDB container. It has MDB instance has on message method. As an example, here you can see now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.